Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to see who viewed your Instagram story after 24 hours. For example, if you have recently uploaded a story on Instagram and you want to check who visited your story on Instagram, but there is a problem that the story had disappeared, which means expires, and it has gone 24 hours because you know that Instagram story remains only for 24 hours, and you can simply check who visits your Instagram story within that time limit. But if you want to know about the number of visitors or who visit your Instagram story after it expires or after 24 hours, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset icon. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back and you have to simply open the App Store here. And in App Store, you have to simply search for the Instagram app, and you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app. And after installing the latest version, you can simply open the Instagram app and you can simply check for the story whether it is available or not. And if it expires or it has gone 24 hours, then how you can check for this, you have to simply go to settings and privacy, and after that you have to scroll down until you find the option of help, and you have to simply click on that, and here you can simply explain that problem to Instagram support team. And after that you have to explain the problem to Instagram team that you want to get the data of your latest Instagram story, which means which have the persons which have visited your Instagram story, and you can request them to tell you the data. And you can also add the screenshot or any photo you have. So in this way, you can simply request the Instagram support team, and after that, they will connect to you and solve the problem for you as soon as possible. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.